वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, मैं रुपिंदर कौर हाजिर अपनी बातें लेकर। आज मैं रिवीजन करा रही हूँ क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर 10 चेंजेस अराउंड अस। बुक एक्सरसाइज सुन रही हूँ मैं अपनी बेटे से। विच ऑफ दिस इज एन इरिवर्सिबल चेंज? मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, मेल्टिंग ऑफ कैंडल वैक्स, बॉइलिंग ऑफ एग, फ्रीजिंग ऑफ वाटर।
Boiling of egg.
Which of these is a reversible change?
Stretching of rubber band.
Which of these is a reversible change? Baking a cake, contracting of metal, cooking of food, ripening of fruits.
Contracting of metal.
What happens when ice is heated?
It melts.
What new materials are formed when a candle burns?
No new material are formed.
This is a reversible change. Stretching of rubber band.
Stretching of rubber band.
Okay. True, false. Curdling of milk is an irreversible change. The color of an object cannot be changed.
False.
थोड़ा जोर से और क्लियर बोलो। ट्रू फॉल्स क्या है ना? A metal expands on heating.
True.
Digestion of food is a reversible change.
False.
Melting of ice cream is a reversible change.
True.
Fill up iron dash on heating.
Expands.
The changes that cannot reversed are called dash.
Irreversible change.
When a paper is burnt, it changes into dash and smoke. In a change caused by dash, new substances are formed.
Mixing of substance.
Okay, अब आ गए हम चैप्टर 11 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड। फिलअप्स सबसे पहले मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। विच वन ऑफ फॉलोइंग इज एन एनर्जी गिविंग फूड?
Rice.
Which one of the following is a body building food?
Egg.
Deficiency of iron causes?
Anemia.
We use iodine solution for testing the presence of
Sugar.
proteins, starch, fats, sugar.
Starch.
Vitamins and minerals are dash.
Energy giving protective foods.
True, false. Full form of ORS is oral rehydration solution.
True.
Vitamin K can be made by our body in sunlight. Roughage is a good source of energy.
True. False.
False. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C.
True.
Egg is fat rich source of food.
False.
Yes. Fill up dash is caused due to the deficiency of water.
Dehydration.
Dash and dash are called energy giving foods.
Carbohydrates and fats.
Two diseases caused due to the question सुन लो पहले। Two diseases caused due to the deficiency of proteins are dash and dash.
Kwashiorkor marasmus.
Pulses are a source of dash.
Proteins.
Water makes up about dash % of the total weight of an adult.
70%.
Okay. ये वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर है, यहीं पे सही है। वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट प्रोवाइड्स एनर्जी फास्टर, शुगर और फैट्स?
Sugar.
Which vitamin is easily destroyed during cooking?
Vitamin C.
Which vitamin is made by our body in sunlight?
Vitamin D.
What is Benedict's solution used to test for?
Sugar.
Name two sources of proteins.
Egg and milk.
ठीक है, next chapter 12 body movements. Book exercises there. First, revise. Multiple choice questions. Functions of our skeletal system is
All of these.
support, protection, movement, all of these.
All of them.
ठीक है, लिखे synovial cavity is found
Three
in
movable joints.
the joint which allow movements in all directions is
Ball and socket joint.
which of the following has a long tube-like body divided into segments?
Earthworm.
Which of the following animal has its body covered with a hard shell?
Snake.
True, false. Bones cannot be bent.
True.
Cartilages are harder than bones.
False.
Cockroaches have an outer skeleton.
True.
Freely movable joints are also called perfect joints.
True.
The movement and locomotion of animals is exactly the same.
False.
Phillips. Knee joint is an example of a dash
Knee
joint.
joint.
The backbone protects the dash.
Spinal cord.
Our skeleton is made up of dash bones.
206 bones.
The contraction of the dash pulls the bones during
Muscles.
movement. The combination of bones and cartilages from the dash of the body.
Skeletal system.
Spelling skeletal की.
SKELETAL.
Next chapter, food. Where does it come from? Now we revise the book exercise. First, multiple choice questions. Which of the following is obtained from plants? Egg, mustard oil, honey, milk.
Mustard oil.
Which of the following is a carnivore?
Tiger.
Cow, sheep, deer,
Tiger.
tiger. Which of the following is an animal product? Honey, grains, pulses, fruits.
Honey.
Which of the following is not obtained from plants and animals? Vegetables.
Salt.
Salt. When we eat a carrot, we eat which part of the
Root.
plant? Okay, which one of the following food is a stem? Spinach, pulses, potato, cauliflower.
Potato.
Okay, ठीक है. Fill up. Food helps our body to dash. We should avoid dash of
Wastage of
food.
food.
Honey bees convert dash collected from dash into honey. Animals, hence it.
Is a carnivorous.
Two examples of omnivores are dash and dash.
Crow and human being.
Very short answer questions. Name two leafy vegetables.
Spinach and mint.
Yes. Name a food item which requires only two ingredients.
Rice, raw rice and water.
What are the main sources of our food?
Yeah.
What are the main sources of our food?
Plants and animals.
Name two root vegetables.
Potatoes.
Root vegetable.
Radish, onion.
Name two poultry animals.
And
Hen and duck. Now the next chapter, air around us. We revise the book exercise first. Multiple choice questions. Air is used for dash. Winnowing, combustion, dispersal of seeds, all of these.
all of these.
Which gas is a major component of air? Oxygen,
Nitrogen.
nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen. Which gas helps in क्या लिखा है? Combustion.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, none of these.
Carbon dioxide.
The presence of which of these components of air varies from place to place? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, या dust particles.
Dust particles.
True, false. Carbon dioxide gas is necessary for combustion.
False.
Moving air is called wind.
True.
Soil contains air.
True.
We should breathe air through our mouth.
False.
Plants give out oxygen during photosynthesis.
True.
Dash maintains the temperature of earth.
Carbon dioxide.
The percentage of carbon dioxide in air is dash.
0.03%.
Dash gas present in air is used to make fertilizers.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Spelling.
NITROGEN.
Air is a mixture of various
Gases.
dash and dash.
Acid, water vapor and dust particles.
Particles की spelling.
PARTICLE.
The blanket of air surrounding the earth is called.
Atmosphere.
Yes. Next is very short answer questions. Which is the most Abundant gas present in air.
On
Nitrogen. Name the process by which oxygen gas is released in air.
photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Yeah, photosynthesis. Spelling.
PHOTOSYNTHISIS.
THE. Which gas is used by plants in photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
What can we see in the beam of sunlight?
Dust particles.
Okay. Next chapter, water. Multiple choice question. The process of evaporation of water through leaves of plant is condensation, evaporation, transpiration. Yes. Which of these processes is responsible for the formation of clouds?
Condensation.
Okay, right. Next, through which of these processes water vapor enters into the atmosphere? Evaporation, condensation.
Evaporation.
Right. How much of the Earth's surface is covered with water? About
3/4.
Okay, true, false. Ocean water is fit for
False.
drinking. Droughts lead to the drying up of a soil.
True.
Continuous rainfall can lead to flood-like situations.
True.
Changing of water vapor into water drops by ships.
Medium of transport.
We need to dash water.
Conserve.
The process of water vapor changing into water is called dash.
Condensation.
Spelling.
CONDENSATION.
SATION. Condensation. SATION. Heavy rains may lead to dash.
Floods.
That takes place at all temperatures.
Evaporation.
Last chapter, garbage in, garbage out. First we revise book exercise. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following is a biodegradable waste? Glass, paper, polythene, metal.
Paper.
In vermicomposting, we use
Red
dash.
worms.
3 R's mean reduce, dash and recycle.
Recycle.
Green bin used by municipality is for
Biodegradable waste.
materials. True, false. True, false. Biodegradable waste is used for composting.
True.
Empty plastic bottles and polythene bags cannot be used
False.
again. Old newspapers can be recycled.
True.
Recycling of waste help to make new products.
True.
Plastic bags are biodegradable.
False.
Phillips, we can manage our waste well by reducing, reusing and dash.
Recycling.
Dash of plastic causes pollution.
Burning.
Red worms are used in dash.
Vermicomposting.
Dash is an area where the garbage collected from city.
Landfill.
Dash is a non-useful component of garbage.
Plastic.
Non-biodegradable waste. Answer है biodegradable waste is a non-useful component of garbage. Book exercise is done. Next we revise chapter 10 changes around us. क्या है इसमें? Do you know?
And paint.
Do you know and brain teaser? Brain teaser. If we put a very hot glass under cold water, it cracks. Why?
Because of condensation.
Okay. Do you know? ये cross है ये?
Yes.
A potter shapes a lump of clay into a pot. He then bakes the pot in an oven. Can this change be reversed?
No, it is a irreversible change.
Check and proceed. Change in shape or size can be brought by applying
Force.
a change which cannot be reversed even on removing the cause is called as
Irreversible change.
in dash change the products can be converted back to their original forms.
Reversible change.
Sometimes heating and burning also change the dash of the
Color.
object. Okay. हो गए इस चैप्टर के तो नेक्स्ट है कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड के ब्रेन टीजर समटाइम्स व्हेन यू फील टायर्ड आफ्टर playing your mother father gives you glucose to drink. Why do they do so?
Because glucose is the main energy giving food.
Right. Chintu eats only fat rich foods to get energy. But will be its consequences?
It will accumulate and cause cholesterol deposition, which leads to heart disease.
Okay, right. Do you know the term vitamin was given by a Polish dash
Scientist
scientist?
Casimir from
Okay, do you know in sunlight our body can prepare dash by itself?
vitamin D.
Check and proceed. Potato, sweet potato, rice are good sources of dash.
Fat.
Potato, sweet potato, rice are good sources of carbohydrates. What is carbohydrates? Spelling of carbohydrates?
CARBOHYDRATES.
Fats are stored under the dash.
Skin.
Excess storage of fats in the body can cause dash.
Cholesterol.
Cholesterol deposition which leads to heart disease. The cholesterol, what is the spelling of cholesterol?
CHOLESTEROL.
Okay. Dash help in keeping our eyes, bone, teeth and gums healthy.
Vitamins.
Okay. Next, do you know the dash is the main source of energy? Dash is the main source of energy.
Seafood.
The sun is main source of energy. Who is the main source of energy? The sun. The dash use light energy of the sun to prepare their dash
Food.
on food. लाइट एनर्जी को कौन यूज करता है? हु यूज लाइट एनर्जी ऑफ द सन टू प्रिपेयर देयर फूड? प्लांट्स. ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट, brain teaser. Is the balanced diet same for all, for children as well as for adults?
No, it depends upon the age.
Okay, South Indian dishes like dash and dash are made from fermented mixture of rice.
Idli dosa.
They have high
Nutrition.
nutritive value.
Nutritive value.
Nutritive value. Check and proceed. Answer in one word. It helps in the observation of food and excretion of waste materials from the body.
Water.
It is a diet containing all the.
Balanced diet.
It leads to many diseases like lack of stamina, high blood pressure, heart problems.
Obesity.
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 Spelling. What is the spelling of obesity?
OBESITY.
Dash is the main source of iodine.
Seafood.
Body movements. Next chapter is body movements. Brain teaser. We know that plants do not show locomotion, but do they show any kind of movements?
Yes. Moving of plant and growth of root and shoot opening.
Okay. Next, imagine our body has no joints. What would happen then?
We would not able to bend, stretch and unable to walk.
Okay. Next. Check and proceed. Tick the correct option. Dash joint between bones in our head allow no movements. Slightly
Fixed
movement,
joint.
freely fixed. The joint where our neck joins the head is a dash joint.
Pivot joint.
The dash joint allows the movement of our hands and legs.
Hinge joint.
Do you know dash has long neck?
Giraffe.
What is the spelling of giraffe?
Giraffe.
No. GIRAFFE giraffe. समटाइम्स हमें लगता है कि जिराफ बहुत इजी होगी स्पेलिंग नहीं. GIRAFFE but has the same number of dash as that of a human neck.
Vertebrae.
What will happen if the earthworm is kept on a smooth glass plate or any slippery surface?
Friction reduce.
Friction reduce, right. Next chapter है food. Where does it come from? Do you know 1 carrot provides more than dash of the
200%
daily intake of dash required?
vitamin A.
Right. Dash are not plants, but they do not undergo.
Mushrooms are not plants.
Mushrooms. Brain teaser, which vegetable is actually a
Potato
fruit?
and tomato.
Actually a fruit in botanical terms. Tomato and potato. Right. Do you know honey contains sugar, minerals and dash? Enzymes. What is the spelling of enzymes?
ENZEMS.
Enzymes. Zymes. ZYMES. Enzymes. ENZYMES. It has antibacterial action. It is a very easy to digest and is used to make several
Ayurvedic medicines.
Ayurvedic spelling?
EYU
IUA.
AYURVEDIC.
True. First, food gives us the energy to do various activities.
True.
Animals provide us food in the form of milk, meat, egg.
True.
Goat is a meat yielding animal.
True.
Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey.
True.
Do you know the dash of the herbivorous is longer than carnivores?
Alimentary anal canal.
Spelling?
ALILEMEN
TARY.
TARY.
Canal की?
CANNEL.
According नहीं CANAL canal. CANAL. According to 2005 World Bank estimate dash of India falls below the international poverty line. Dash percent of the India falls below the international poverty line? 41%. What would have happened if air was not transparent?
We would not able to see.
If the glasses used in above activity had a hole in them, then will the candle...
oxygen will support.
Tick the correct option. All living beings need dash for breathing.
Air.
Our earth is surrounded by an envelope of air known as
Atmosphere.
water vapor dash to form droplets of water. Evaporates, condenses, none of these.
Condenses.
Why do policemen regulating traffic at
To
crowded...
avoid harmful gases.
To avoid. Okay. Dash is used to find out the direction in which the air blows.
Weather clock.
Clock नहीं weathercock. 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 Why do earthworms come out of the soil during heavy rains?
For breathing.
Smoke contains harmful gases and dust particles. Carbon dioxide is also produced from combustion of fossil fuels.
True.
When we heat the water, solubility of air increases.
False.
The amount of dust particle present in air is constant.
False.
Next chapter, water is there. Now first we do brain teaser. Cross है? Okay. Why do we not notice the loss of water from a bucket?
Because the process is slow.
Fill in the blanks. Water is needed for proper irrigation of
Crops.
about dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. Dash is the process of water changing the water vapor on heating.
Evaporation.
To produce 1 kg of wheat grain, the wheat plant transpires dash kilogram of water.
500.
Every dash is made up of more than 1 million tiny droplets of water.
Raindrop.
True false. Overuse of groundwater is one of the prominent reason for the falling level of groundwater.
True.
There is no need to conserve water.
False.
Lack of water may cause the death of livestock.
True.
The duration and amount of rainfall does not vary from place to place. Now the last chapter, garbage in, garbage out. First we do. Look, it's almost done. Do you know? Dash in Delhi is made on a landfill site.
Indraprastha Park in Delhi.
Indraprastha Park. Spelling?
INDRAPRASTHA.
Okay, right. Fill in the blank. Solid waste can be divided into dash groups.
Dash groups.
Solid waste can be divided into dash groups too. Biodegradable waste are the substances that rot by the action of tiny organisms called dash.
Decomposers.
The rotting and conversion of some materials into manure is called dash.
Composting.
Municipal corporation provides separate dustbin to collect two kinds of garbage. Right. Do you know a dash can eat food equal to its own weight in a day?
Worm.
Check and proceed. True false. Vermicompost is rich in nutrients.
True.
Paper is a non-degradable waste. In recycling, useful things from waste are collected, separated, and sent to a recycling plant. True. Right. Okay, the book exercise and all brain teaser and all are revised. You do very well. और जो थोड़ी बहुत कमी है वो अभी कर लेना. Okay, कल एग्जाम्स है. All the best. Bye.